Yes, we can smoke chicken using the wood fire oven. We start by cutting with logs and place them into the oven. Now let's make this nice marinade for the chicken. 2 oranges and 2 lemons to start. As always, be careful when using a sharp knife. Cut the oranges and lemons in half. Can you smell the citrus flavors? Use a traditional juicer to squeeze all the juice out of the fruit. Once you have extracted the juice, pour it into a casserole dish. Add chili sauce, French mustard, salt, a lot of rosemary, and paprika. Stir all the ingredients together thoroughly. You're looking to make a smooth mixture. With a food-grade brush, apply a thick layer of sauce on the chickens on the roasting tray. Take the time to make sure to cover the whole surface is covered. Next, cover the top with aluminum foil. Make sure to cover the whole tray tightly with the foil. We want a tight seal to keep in all the flavors and juices. The internal temperature is now around 800 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll spread the coals left and right to create a space in the middle for the chicken tray. When the oven is prepared, carefully slide the tray into the cleared space. I will give this chicken around 1 hour at the current oven temperature. We take it out and we remove the aluminum foil. Watch out for the steam when you pull the foil off. It can be really hot. Good. The chicken looks thoroughly cool. It smells amazing. Now, we will place the uncovered chicken back in the oven to smoke it. And I've already added some wood logs to the oven, and this is the secret to increase the fire and get the smoke. Now we remove all air access to the chicken and let it smoke for 30 minutes and at this current oven setting to reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's take out all that from the oven. And voila! Smoked chicken in the wood-fired oven style done. It's hard to believe how beautiful this chicken is. I am just enjoying the sight.